Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMSTech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Angry IP scanner. So go to the browser and you can type here Angry IP scanner. Enter. You can see the link for the Angry IP scanner. Just click here, and this is the official website for IP scanner for Angry. So you can see here this application also very good application to scan the IP addresses for the network engineers and IT administrators, and also cyber security professionals and also students. So just click here, free download. Whenever you download, it will redirect to another page. You can see here it is having Windows and Mac OS Linux source code, so we will use Windows installer. So you can see here in Windows installer includes Java runtime recommended, and so you can see here down also there is old version also available. So if you want to browse for previous releases, you can check, or we'll click here Windows installer. See, it is installing the recommended, includes it is having Java runtime. So just open this one and go to the downloads and right click, run as administrator, click here. Now you can see here, click next, and it is installing in the C drive. Install next. So it is very fast application as well as, so run Angry IP scanner. Okay, I will click here to open directly. Finish. Okay, no issue, this is like getting started, so you can close as well, no issue. So this is the application for the IP range scanner, Angry. You can see Angry IP scanner. If you want to keep here, you can see there is no shortcut. So while installing, I think it is not shown me to give on the desktop shortcut. So we can create here also. Open file location, right click, and also we can make shortcut to the desktop, send to desktop screenshot, sorry, shortcut desktop Angry IP scanner. So you can see here, you can search the IPs here, and also it is very good tool. It is for the free version and also available officially, providing the website from the website of Angry IP scanner, and it is fast IP address scanning. Also scan single IPs or an entire IP range. You can select here. For example, if I want to search for the my IP, we have to check first what is cmd IP config. So you can see here the IP range 10.85, copy. Okay, go back here and we will, so it will search entire IP address. For example, it will search one IP, or else 254, or else you can see here from the starting range 1. If I select 1 and also 254 IP range, if you click here start, it will scan the whole IP address of the range. And also you can see it is scanning very fast. You can see here 50.54, and also you can see host name, what is the host name, which device is using this IP range as well as the ports. So there is many options. Once you click here IP, you can find this one. So this is the best also this is the best application for scanning and checking the IP address as well. So there is some settings available here: rescan, delete, copy IP and copy details, commands, and also add current, manage favorites, and also some preferences available. You can check this one. So you can select here as well for the net mask subnets. As per the subnet mask, you can search the range also, random text file, everything available here. Some settings also available here: ports, display, scanning, and also you can see here you can select as per your requirement alive host only. If you click here alive host, for example, click OK, it will show only alive only, I think. See, just I click the settings and I changed the alive only settings, so it is showing only alive. So this one also one of the best application to scan the IP addresses quickly to get the results. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.